Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js 14. Today we are going to learn how to set the custom build directory in the Next.js 14. By default, the Next.js build directory is the .next folder. So it's clumsy, right? So I want to make it separate out with the build or the dist. So how we are going to do that? We are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So there are the ways. So by default in the Next.js documentation, they have mentioned like this. So can we do that part first? And then we will move our part. So here we can see that we have like this. So let's add this build. Okay. What will happen? Let's have a look on that one. Npm run build. It is done. Next. So here you can see that we have a build folder. Okay. So this is how we can go with that part. Another part we can also use, that is this one. I have already made this one like this, so you can also make it like this. So in the configurations, just we will add like this. Okay, so like this, save this. Let's try to make a build. Failed to load, syntax error, invalid and expected token. What else we have missed? I think let's make it this. Okay, so this will create the build with, let us create. So here you can see that we have a dist folder, right? So this is how you can just move the full-fledged folder like this. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.